These lemon and white chocolate chip cookies are so delicious, thin, crispy, chewy. You can make them chunky as well if you like. And I'll be sharing my super easy recipe which is ready in literally under half an hour. Start by adding some vegan butter into a bowl with caster sugar and a splash of vanilla essence and lemon essence for that lemon flavor. And then cream all of this together. Ensure your butter is at room temperature so it's soft and easy to mix, and if you have a hand whisk available, that works best. Next, add your plain flour, baking powder, and corn flour into your bowl, as well as with a pinch of salt and zest of 1 lemon. Also at this stage, make sure that your oven has been preheated to 180 degrees C and you've lined 2 baking trays with parchment paper ready for your cookie dough. Now mix together all your dry ingredients and then add a tablespoon of plant milk to help combine this all together. You can add more milk if it's not coming together after you've kneaded it for a couple minutes, or add more flour if it's too soft. Then add a third cup of chopped vegan white chocolate or chocolate chips and fold this into your dough as well. Now if you want to store this dough, you can wrap it tightly in cling film and store in your freezer, defrost and use whenever you want cookies. However, if you want them right now, you can just use the dough as it is, no resting or anything required for this one, and roll balls around just about larger than a tablespoon to make cookies of a size of your choice. Now the size balls you see are the kind of balls that make the cookies that I showed you right at the start of the video. Press these down slightly so you can help them spread in the oven to make nice cookies. If you want them chunky, just press them down a little bit less, and once these have baked for around 12 minutes, let them cool down properly and then you can enjoy them. These look super delicious and I promise you they tasted really good as well. It has a crispy outer, it's chewy in the inside, the white chocolate goes really well with the lemon flavor. I'm craving these as I'm editing this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you tried this video, please do comment below and let me know how it went, and you can also tag me on Instagram. I love to see what baking you've been up to as well.